So today I want to show you how to use styles to format headings consistently on Microsoft Word. So take for example, maybe you want to make every heading to have a consistent style. So take for example, use synopses, then probably chapter outlines, and maybe the chapter ones and chapter two. That way we're going to use as an example. So what you just have to do that, whenever that you highlight it, then you choose one of these heading styles. Take for example, you can use that as subtitle, sub to emphasis. That's one. So I can go down, then do it for probably chapter outline, then I select. So you can see every heading going to have a consistent formatting. So take for example, if you want to use for chapter one, I can just click on intents, do that for this, then this one. So you can see there's a consistent formatting for the headings. And that's how to just format using styles on Microsoft Word. Thank you very much.